In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images into a Google Sheets cell. Whether you're organizing product photos, building a visual database, or you simply want your spreadsheet to look more polished and informative, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. I'll take you through both ways to insert images so you fully understand which method fits your needs best. First, open your Google Sheets and go to the sheet where you want to insert your image. Once you're there, look for the Insert option at the top of the screen. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on Insert, then hover over Image. You'll see two options, Image in Cell and Image over Cells. These options behave very differently, so choosing the right one is important. If you select Image over Cells, your image will float above the grid and won't adjust when the cell sizes change. This is great if you want to freely move the image around or resize it without affecting the layout. When you choose this option, click Browse, pick your image, and hit Open. Once it uploads, you can drag the corners to resize it or move it anywhere you like. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your image is clear and properly cropped. Double-check that your sheet doesn't have protected ranges, and decide ahead of time whether you want the image locked inside a specific cell. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you're ready to insert an image into a specific cell, select the cell first. After that, go to Insert, choose Image, and then pick Image in Cell. Click Browse, select your picture, and hit Open. After that, the image will automatically fit inside the cell. If you resize the cell by dragging the row height or column width, the image will resize perfectly with it. It's also a good idea to test moving the cell when you cut and paste it somewhere else. The image will go along with it, which keeps your layout clean and organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add images into Google Sheets cells easily and efficiently, no matter which method you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to organize their spreadsheets. Why not make someone's day easier?